Alright, here we're looking at example 3. Look at Kevin standing 2 miles due north of the school. Okay, so north is straight up. So when we say, and James is standing 4 miles due west of the school. So when it says due, we're talking about straight on the thing. What's the distance between Kevin and James? Now, with this one, we're already given the diagram and the thing, but let's say 0, 0 represents school. Okay, 0, 0 is our origin, and Kevin is standing 2 miles due north. So we're going to let that be the units on this. So we're going to diagram this, okay, as 0, 2, and then James is to the west, so we're going to say he's -4 to the left. Okay, and we want to find the distance between the two. Well, once you've kind of put this into on an ordered coordinate plane, pretty much it's the same type of problem we've been doing, where we're going to make a triangle out of this and then come up with the distance by coming up with what the hypotenuse is. Alright, so let's go ahead and draw in our triangle so that we understand what we're doing with that. So our hypotenuse would be here, and then our two legs, okay, would be here and here. So we have our triangle. So what we have to do is find the distance for our hypotenuse. So what we're going to do is, well, for this one, we're on everything, so I'm just going to do this. Okay, I'm going to let this be A again. So A is 2, because I just counted down 1, 2. Okay, and then B would be 1, 2, 3, 4. So what we'll do is A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. So we get 2 squared plus 4 squared is equal to C squared. So we're going to end up with 4 plus 16 is equal to C squared. Add these two together, you get 20 is equal to C squared. Take the square root. Now when we do this, we're not going to get a whole number. What we're actually going to end up with is 4.5. Alright, now the distance here, again, our scale is in miles. So Kevin and James are 4.5 miles apart. And again, what we did here was found our hypotenuse. Okay, now what I want you to do is you're going to go over in your packet and go to problem-based task 6.1.1. Now, the first thing I want you to do is read through it, and then what I want you to do is it's going to kind of walk you through it, and you're going to come up with the distances on this. Now, alright, so you're going to do this problem, okay? The Serengeti National Park, located in Tanzania, is often referred to as one of the best wildlife reserves in Africa because of the large population of animals. Park officials created a map to represent an area of the park. Lion prides are located at the points -4, -1, 1.5, 6.2, 3, -7. Water holes are located at the points 1, -1, and 8, -4. The pride that is the farthest from the water hole located at point 1, -1 is the closest pride to the water hole located at 8, -4. How much farther is the pride from the water hole at 1, -1 than the water hole at 8, -4? Each unit represents 1,000 feet. Explain your reasoning. Alright, now with this, you're going to go through, and in a second there's some questions that will kind of help you walk through this. But just remember that when you find your hypotenuse, you would multiply that number by 1,000 to come up with the actual distance between the points. So what I want you to do is take these points, kind of work through this, and come up with the distances between these, and then just kind of go through these questions.